This is Sint Maarten, the French side of Sint Maarten. Sint Maarten is divided into a French side and a Dutch side. This is the French side. I'm flying from Fort Louis, and this is an 18th century fortress overlooking the Marigot Bay. Yes, very beautiful place, Sint Maarten. And I was flying during the golden hour. Dit is a fortress overlooking the Marigot Bay, like I said earlier. And these are the ruins. You can see the cannons are still there. And from this fort, you have a very nice view over the whole area. And this is the flag from Sint Maarten. Of course, I couldn't resist doing this again. And some tourists. This is the flag from Sint Maarten. It's a colony of French overlooking the Marigot Bay. As you could see, a lot of boats. This is a very beautiful spot. From here, there are water taxi going from this place to Anguilla. If you watch closely on the top right, there's a flat island over there. That's an Anguilla. There are some activities going on here. I didn't want it to fly too close to the boats because of the post with some lines on it, so you never know, I might get tangled in one of them. Upcoming now, it's a restaurant and you could just enjoy food and look at the sunset. This is a very beautiful shot. Flying at golden hour here, but just breathtaking. Now I'm going a little higher up, so just to make a panoramic view of the area. Like I said, straight ahead you can see Anguilla. A lot of boats. People are enjoying this part of Sint Maarten very much. Flying back toward the mountain, the fort. That's me. Drone Suriname. I hope you enjoy this flight. See you in the next one. Bye.